Right now, without your permission, your body is making a decision, and your conscious mind won't hear about it for half a second. That delay is real, documented, and when you understand what it means, the idea of free will becomes a much stranger conversation. The human body is not a simple machine. It is something far more intricate, far more eerie, and far more extraordinary than most people ever consider. Start with your skeleton. You are not born with 206 bones. Newborns arrive with roughly 270 to 300 separate bones, soft, cartilaginous, designed to flex through the birth canal. Over the following 2 decades, those bones gradually fuse. The skeleton you carry today is the result of a slow architectural process that didn't finish until you were approximately 25 years old. But here's what's stranger. Your bones are not static. Right now, specialized cells called osteoclasts are dissolving portions of your skeleton, while osteoblasts rebuild it. Your entire skeleton is replaced, piece by piece, approximately every 10 years. The bones you stood on as a child no longer exist. And yet, even more surprising, your body produces around 25 million new cells every single second. In the time it takes to read this sentence, your body has generated more new cells than there are people in Australia. Consider your stomach. It produces a new lining every 3 to 4 days. If it didn't, the hydrochloric acid powerful enough to dissolve metal would consume itself entirely. Then there is the nervous system. Nerve signals travel at speeds up to 120 meters per second. But pain signals, specifically the slow, deep aching kind, travel at only 0.6 meters per second. Your body intentionally staggers what it tells you and how urgently. Your eyes can detect a single photon of light in complete darkness, the equivalent of seeing a candle flame from 48 kilometers away on a clear night. And the most extraordinary fact of all, the human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Each one forms up to 10,000 connections. The total number of possible neural configurations in a single human brain exceeds the number of atoms in the known observable universe. We walk through ordinary days carrying something that has no equal in all of creation, a wonder placed within us that science has barely begun to understand.